In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Outlook to Slack. We'll go through this step by step, ensuring you smoothly integrate these two essential tools in about 5 minutes. So, let's dive right in. We're going to start by opening up Slack. So, ensure you have Slack installed and readily accessible on your device. If you're using a web browser, navigate to Slack's website. Now, once you have Slack open in front of you, you'll either need to log in or sign in if you're not already connected. You'll be prompted to enter your email address associated with your Slack account. However, if you prefer, you also have the convenient option of using your Apple ID or Google account to sign in. This can save time and make the login process a breeze. Next, once you're logged in, you'll find yourself in the Slack workspace selection area. Here, choose the workspace you intend to connect with Outlook. The workspace is essentially the team or organization environment where your conversations and channels reside. Make sure you click on the one that's pertinent to your needs today. Moving on to the central part of our task, directing our focus to the Slack Apps section. You'll want to locate the Slack app directory or the marketplace. Within Slack on desktop, you can find this in your sidebar. You click on Apps, and there should be a clear option to either browse apps or simply go to the Slack app directory or marketplace. This is where you'll be able to search for different apps that can enhance your Slack experience. Now type Slack for Outlook into the search bar. This is a straightforward process. Just ensure you're exact with your search query to make hunting down the right app faster and more efficient. Once you've found Slack for Outlook in the list of results, click on it to proceed with setting it up. You'll be brought to a page with a brief description and a Get It Now button. That's your key to installing it. So go ahead and click Get It Now. Here, you might need to follow several prompts guiding you through the permissions and the setup process. Just follow along closely, approve any necessary permissions, and soon you'll have integrated Outlook with Slack. And there you have it, a simple, effective, step-by-step process to connect Outlook to Slack. Now your emails can seamlessly integrate into your Slack workspace, making collaboration and communication even more streamlined and efficient. Whether sending emails directly to Slack channels or setting calendar reminders, this integration is sure to enhance your productivity. Thank you for watching, and happy connecting.